Hello YouTube, Aaron here with another one. This is a tutorial on how to make Bash applications, Python applications, C++ applications, Rust applications, all with bot. And I'm going to make an app image as well. I just made an app image. I've got a little folder made with a tutorial template to make a app image. I just made an app image and put it online, so I could download that. We're going to go online and we're going to showcase the app image that's just been updated, and that's the functions. So my next option that I want to do is to turn my going to go for my desktop functions. Should I do my desktop functions or should I do my cloner? I've got some scripts to choose from. I want to go with my DNS manager, so we'll get this updated. I believe I might have the files somewhere, maybe in here. Let's have a look. DNS changer, what version are we at? And we've got the script we can convert. We're going to start with simple bash. We'll put this in file quick. We've got a Rust application that we can run, simple, with 2 buttons. I tried 2 different things. We can run this quick. I think I just got to do that. And that will just do 2 simple things. And I told the bot to make this. We've got one simple main script that basically just opens 2 different functions. This is my PayPal, if anyone wants to support me. This is the bot that we use, well, I use anyway, and I've been basically asking it to do certain things. Bash application, and we got a Python application template built from the bot, and this is a bit faulty, but well, the application could be run in the terminal and it will open Dolphin, but it will not send a notification. So that was one thing that I did originally have in my first video. We've got these desktop functions that I could turn into a app image, and we can turn the display off and turn it back on. We can change the display around, and it's pretty cool, but I like my DNS changer, so we're going to show this, see what this is like before we turn it into a C++ application and then turn it into an app image. So this will ask me for my password at the start. We need to remember that functionality, and we can change my DNS to different DNSs. This is the Quad 9 secure DNS. Pretty cool to change to C++. So I think that's what we're going to do. This bot can do many things, it can make many things, and this is how I've made many of my things. I need this. We're better off using this one here. Might be a long string of code This top one only has a 4K limit. This is apparently unlimited. I need this converted to C++ and C++ now. We'll just send it the code. I think we'll make a folder whilst we're at it. Call this one image applications, and we're going to need to use this as a template to make this application. So once we've got the C++ application, we're going to put all the correct things and change the image and the name. Use this as a template. So we've got DNS manager.h. If we come to here, copy this into here, and where's this? We'll use this file. I'll make a main. Hopefully it's not doing everything in capitals. We need a profile. Call this DNS manager Pro. Just open this up. Okay. I think that'll be done by now. We'll get it somewhere. So we can copy this into the H. So yeah, we've done the H. Let's make this new file called DNS manager CVV. Don't know why everything is in capitals. I've got to change the other application. The other file. We're going to copy the script into that file. And we've got a main. So we copy that into here. Close. Oh, we should have left that Pro open. All we've got to do now is the Pro. And we can turn it. And we don't want no QML. So I might have to edit that again. I'm just going to pause it whilst I get a cup of coffee, and then I'll show the application running. So I've got a plan. We're going to do the DNS manager, and then I'm going to do my terminal. So I've got a little problem with my terminal. The issue is that it has, when you go to install a package, so if we wanted to install GIMP, I don't know if we can install that. I did bring over my system up over here. To install a package, say if we want to install a package, we need to give it the no confirm command. So all commands need to be no confirmed. Currently only works on Arch. If we can fix this problem, then I can turn it into an app image at least, with the basic layout, and then I can use that template and back it up for future versions. So I'm going to do that, but we'll do the DNS manager first. Some of these functions don't actually work. I want to do this at some point, fix this. It shouldn't be too hard. We've got maybe change this around a little bit. It's not finished yet. We can run bash scripts. So if we go to here, and we go to pictures, we go here, we've got a command that basically says hello, and we can open Dolphin, and we can toggle the terminal, and there will be a browser, but the problem is we can't make this any bigger. So it might be an external browser that opens as a GTK3. I did have one somewhere. But we need to hit it with a no confirm command. So if we do gbind no confirm, and then we type our password, it will install it. One of the many things I want to update. When we're going to do the DNS manager, and we've got everything set up, no QML. Just update these quick. Go back to here. And that file was to DNS manager H. So that's been updated, and we do, this is the CPP. Yeah, that's been updated, and then we need to update the main, maybe update the main, and then we've got the pro. Close this as we go along. Nice. One last thing. Why have we got the CMake list? I need to find. And we can use this file, hopefully change the DNS. We don't need to edit here. Manager, I will change it and add a name to it. I'm not too sure what version we're at. We'll have to look. Edit the pro. I don't know if it was already open. I'm going to give this a version. Alright, we'll go with version 104. Very, very nice. CMake this like this, and we can test the functions. But this is why we paste it back to the bot and fix any problems. It won't fix every problem, but we'll fix little small problems like this. Delete them two files. See what it's saying that we need to do. Change the pro. soon. What is this? Might look like. Is it doing it wrong? We don't want it to might look like, we need it to look like. We need it to have the right stuff. No messing around. What's this? Oh, yeah, we need that. Ah, dear. Close that. We go here. Place this. It's probably the same. Let's see what we're missing. Go over the template of making Rust in a minute after this, and then I think we'll move on to my terminal and creating it into a simple layout for backing up into an app image. It's a long line of code. Hopefully it works. I'm going to be dealing with this for too long. It's not looking for a file name, that is it? So we'll just call it that anyway. Just in case. Let's give it another go. Let's do this. The make H file is wrong. There's something wrong with the make H. The H file, I mean. Excuse me, no man. Just give me this, man. I don't need it to do this anymore. Alright, it shouldn't take long at all. I've done this many of times. Try and keep this video sweet, simple and short. So just go back to here and edit this quick. Might be wrong. What are we missing from this file? Well, we didn't delete these two. Oh, here we go. DNS manager. Okay. Is it down that? And that's what we're going to do. Brand new. Right, who are we we've got a different error now, which is good because then we can fix the main application, and that's fine by me. And we just got to do simple things to get this bot to basically fix the code. As simple as just pasting a few things to repair the code. And it's going to give me this now. It's going to say this is incorrect and this needs to be done. So what can we do to make this better? Well, we can open this up and we can call this now 104.bin is what it's going to be called. This is going to be called DNS Manager. And we can delete that because it's a template. I need to edit this. This is a template. We're going to use this as a template. DNS Manager. Now I've done a lot of this myself from building other things, so I don't really have to do much. Most of this can just be edited. Just edit it to just be like that. So that's all edited, everything is all fine. We need to change the image. We can copy this now. So we can delete that to the waste bin. We can delete this and paste our new one. We might have to edit that anyway, just to include the new image that gets created. Setting things up before, hopefully this application just works. I don't get a problem. Here we go, we've got a full application, we've got the name of it. Type a password in, it's going to ask us to do this, and then we apply, and it should apply. Without issues. Thank you very much. But that was pretty easy. Now we only need this file here, and we're going to put that into this directory here. We're going to call this bin, because this is now a bin file. We're going to copy this from here into here, and then we're going to turn this into a appimages. But we need a new picture, and this is obviously the wrong name, so we can call it DNS Manager. DNS. We don't really need to do this, but we'll do it for the fun of it anyway, as a template. So we've got the app directory there. We'll keep these and store these for future purpose of updating. So I'd like to cut that, put that as folder, and we just call it DNS Manager template. I might put this on my sourceforge just to make it easier for people. So we'll put this as C++. Application. And what we do, we make the app image itself as a folder in here. What else? We could just make a readme at a later date. Everything is in this folder except the app image itself. So we need this. We need to copy this into the new thing here. And we need to do some command to run the app image building process. So we've got this name here, but we're not ready yet. So we're just getting things ready. We can close this. We know the application works. We've just tested it. We need a new image, and my image for my DNS manager is currently in here. So if we go to my DNS manager, we downloaded it, did we? No, we're going to download it. We're going to use it as a template to find out what is the image. DNS is the Wi-Fi, so it's the network Wi-Fi. I'm going to DNS. No. It's the Wi-Fi symbol. And we might have the file somewhere. This is the Wi-Fi symbol. DNS. We ain't got it, so we'll go back to here and we just get ourselves ready, and whilst we look for the Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi, we go here and just call network. Wireless network. Wireless network. Something. Wireless network. Network wireless. So we'll rename. Or we need that file anyway. So we'll go to here. Use the share icons. And we'll just copy that file into the directory. So we want the network wireless. And just copy the network wireless SVG, is it? Open the file. And we copy that. We can copy that to the pictures, spot training here. And we've got to put this as a PNG. And we go back to the pictures, we go to the blockchain, app image, let's paste that there. If we change that into a PNG, it should be perfectly fine. It might change what it is, yeah, that's fine. Then we need to copy that, and we need to put this in here. App image, template of the icon needs to be the name of this. So we copy this over. Then we've got this new logo and this one here, so we can copy this one over to the user share applications, overwrite it, we can paste it here, just in case. We've got it here, we've got it here, we don't need that image anymore, so we can delete that. Pretty sure the image and icons in here might be wrong as well. We can just copy it back to there just in case. We can delete that. We can delete that. We don't need it. We can delete that. We might need the executable in this folder. Let's have a look. Let's only just copy that from here. Paste that to here. The .desktop definitely has the right executable. So I think we're good to go. The executable is definitely called that. Capitals. Yeah, well, so we're gonna copy this directory name. And we're going to, yeah, we're going to use the tool that's in this location, and we're going to make an app image. So to do that, we need this command here. What are we missing? And the DNS manager directory, that image, it can't find. I'm just going to name this PNG .png, see if it works. And then we're going to put it on the internet. Dear. We're in the wrong directory. And we've got an app image. And that works. And everything can just be posted on the internet. So we go to here, take some photos, and open it again, take some photos, and come on to the internet. And we're going to DNS manager. Edit the product, come here, we make a version 101, and this is a app image, this is a Qt6 app image, this is a large, Well, this is what I was going to do, but we're scrapping that and putting that as maybe number 102, because I basically just want to get this as an app image. We can change the version to 101. And next, and we can change this because this is quite a large file. We're just going to update it. Now we go to pictures. We go to bot training. We go to then is app image 104 app image. Half of the size now. I'll change it to an app image, put it as 101. Just change this. Pretty cool. All of the beta architects is pretty much all of them. We'll just go desktop. We need to make a change log. Converted to C++. Oh, we need to change the photos. Does look kind of different now to a certain degree, but we can definitely update these photos. Don't we have two different photos? Changing the logo might be advisable, but let's leave it at that for now. So I want to make my terminal into into an app image now. I think what we'll do is we'll compress these into zips. So we've got the terminal basically in here. We've got GPU drivers. Do my terminal now. I think I'm going to do my basic terminal. Oh no, I'm going to do my Claude Mods terminal into an app image. So we've got these are the old GPU drivers, so we could change this into GPU drivers. App image, basically. Pretty cool to have it all in one folder. We've got my system app which needs to come out of here. And we need to make a folder called console image. We can copy my update into here, and we know it works, so we can just delete all of these. Got a lot of mock files we need to delete, and just update the profile before turning it into an app image. Quick. Let's make a app image directory. one, or we can use it as a template. And use this as a template. Let's call this console. We can delete this now, because since we're making something new. We've already got the app image. We can make the app image really quick. The console, we're going to need the console photo again. We're going to need to update this to what the name is. So the console itself, the number is 2.0 1.1. This, and we're going to change this to what it needs to be. So we can go here. So you get the image, set up all of the files, it's just as simple as that really, it's not hard. You can use these as templates. So we've got my bin file, we can make it, we just need to update the Pro to have the name that we just said, and it's version 2.0.11. Let's compile this again. Do this command. This command. And we've got this. And we need to rename this to .bin. Cut this, or we'll copy it, and we want to move it into here. I'm going to paste it into here. I think we need to paste it into here. What training? What else? I don't think we need the app running here. We might need that, and we might need the .desktop. We'll do that for safekeepings. We don't need the picture can be deleted. We can delete that, and we're going to need a new picture. So we use a new picture. We've got our bin file, we've put it in the correct place where it needs to be to run. And the picture we normally use should be in the downloads. So we downloaded the DNS manager, we can extract it. And we'll find out what it's called. I think it's something symbolic. We'll use the .desktop as a template anyway. Shouldn't take long to extract. Network wireless is what we use on here. No, we're not using the DNS manager. We're using the terminal. So the terminal is something symbolic. We go here, we can have a look. What's console symbolic? Terminal symbolic. Utilities terminal symbolic. So we'd like to find that in the user share. Go here to this location. We type it in. We can find it easy and just open the bar. As long as it's not got a string attached to it, we can use it. So we go back to the console. We'll use this location here. Change the names to PNG. And we're going to have to update this picture into this directory here. We really want this picture from there into here. We can delete the old picture. We need to make the name of the picture into the .desktop on here. Okay. And once we've done this, we can compile it and put it on the internet. So the icon is here. Okay, so what have we done? We've done it wrong. Just need the name of it. Let's copy the name. So we've got everything we need now. We need to just copy the .desktop now into here. I'm pretty sure we need the .desktop in there, and we need the .desktop in here. We might need the binary in there. What have we deleted? We use the old templates. So look, if we go into here, what have we got in here? We've got the binary, we've got the desktop, the app run, it's all in one folder. And what have we got in here? We go into here, we've got the app run all in one folder. That should be good to go. And we've copied everything. We just need to find. So, come on, let's just change this to this. No such directory. We need the app image, so you download it on the internet. I've already got it, so we just copy that in. We just run the same command. Oh yeah, we need to call it PNG. I don't know why this is, but we'll do it anyway. This seems to work. Just same command again. The PNG needs to be in there. See, this is what I need to remember. What is it? It's in there. Maybe this ain't. Is it in here? What are we doing wrong? Let's do this real quick. Something is wrong. Has it got to be called this? No, it's in this here. Yeah. Something is wrong. Is it a name? Is that name needs to be too many dots? .png. What is this do? Read it. Console app dir. Utilities symbolic png. Desktop file not found. We've got the wrong desktop file in there, so we just need to copy and write this. Where is it? The wrong desktop file here. Something needs to be named .png. We just made an app image, so whatever's going on, I don't know. You know what it is? Yeah, that's what it was. Wrong named PNG, so we just changed the name of the PNG. We finally got somewhere, and we've made an app image of my terminal. Pretty cool. That's just a bin file. This is the app image. Where have we gone wrong? So we've obviously gone wrong with something. Open this again. User bin is trying to find no such file called, it's not called the system app.bin. Alright, we've errored a little bit. There's room for mistakes. We can certainly solve this issue really fast just by going into here, copying the name of this as system app, copying this into here, and we'll just delete this, paste this, delete this, paste this, and then we'll go back to here. And we've still got a terminal. Alright, so I don't make no sense what it's doing. We should have that command. No. Yeah, this is the one. Here we go. This is it. I've made another app image of my tool. Very clean and change. Yeah, we can upload this now. We can make a whole different product. So we put it on my sourceforge because it's not something I normally put on my Bling store. We might be able to update the old one on camera and turn it into an app image at a later date, but for now I just wanted to showcase making 2 app images. It can be quite long-winded doing the setup of it. I want to now showcase doing a Rust application. We'll probably call it that. What have we got now? Get the system app updated. Which one have we got? System tool. Updates. Upstream, definitely upstream. Now we've got the app image. The picture. Bot training. Console app. Image. And that is, the app image is called QT6 Terminal. Well, we do need to change the name of that. The files that I've got for all of this, I've probably just put onto another hard drive. We've got a few here, so it'd be nice to just compress this into one called appimages. And that was it. I just wanted to show you some app images being built. We'll go on to Rust. We've got a Rust application here. We can use the main script and update it to do some extra functions maybe. So upgrade this script to show the time, and also we need the current system shown with buttons and I would like. What else can we do just for the fun of it? I think we'll do that. Let's see where it goes. I'm going to pause this quick and then come back. Alright, we've got to build this in Rust now. We're going to have to update it. Don't know what else. So we need new dependencies and things. So we update the main RS, delete the cargo lock. I'll put this script up as a template on my sourceforge for people if they want to start making Rust. We don't need a target. I'm going to have to compile it again. And we will need a new cargo. So cargo TOML. Edit that. It's telling me. I already obviously built this beforehand, so I know what works and what don't work. I shouldn't have any issues with this. Just got to build it now. It's not allowed. So it's obviously got something on. You've got to keep hitting the bot with certain things. Let's go. Let's compile. Let's get going. We need to save it. Close it. Compile it. We're going to do 101 different things. And we find out what the bot has actually done. Added the time. You can build applications with a bot. If you want to make app images as well, I might as well upload a template onto my sourceforge. So if we go to here, I'm pretty sure I've actually got a folder up for tutorials. We do applications. App images. We go do some templates. So we do, I don't know, folder called. We're gonna have app images. Upload a folder. Go back here to bot training. We do the GPU drivers template. I'm not too sure if you need the binaries, so we can get rid of the binary. Don't really need the binary. Don't need this. You need that. Templates for this, you don't need that. Don't need that. So we'll get that into a compressed file. We'll get that on the internet. It's called GPU drivers app image. Is it? If we want an old Python template, we can do Python templates on it. Yeah, so we do Python templates. We would do a folder also for the Rust application. DNS change of Python template. I'm going to just copy, just add the file. Where are we? Are we in the Python templates? Yeah. Add the file on the mental stick. Go to Python's DNS manager. Here we go. Oh nice, we're doing it. template for GPU drivers. So we've got appimages, GPU driver appimages, template, Python templates. Just do another folder for Rust templates. We can just skip the Rust template alone. Everything's compiled. Oh, we've got a problem. We just tell the bot some fixes, get it working, put it up as a template. I would do a readme file. There's a readme there. We'll do a C++ template. I think that might be advisable, just to help some people as well. They want to do some C++ applications, we'll do a template for that. So CPP applications. We'll certainly do some templates. Rename that templates. Because we're working with C++, we need to find some of the files, and GPU drivers, template. We can copy this into a file called we go here. This can get confusing at times. But we had a setup thing, so we're in the main CP of the appimage. This is the main CPP. You can upload that as a template. That's nice. Alright, so we've got templates can be used to make applications. Or how does it work? Python, C++, and Rust templates. Main. And more. And we'll add some QML. Templates, and we just upload a QML. It's as easy as giving a QML file from here. do the GPU drivers. Definitely can be used as a template. So we've got some QML, we've got do this, add the Rust. I need to make sure it works first. So this should work. And go back to the Rust application. Version 21. Just do that. And the target. And I hope for the best that this works. I'm going to use this as a template. Well, that's compiled and we can update this file. We've got some bash templates. We definitely need to have some bash templates, but I might just leave it out of what we've got now. It'll do for now. Feel free to download and edit these files. I'll just put that in this application directory. Just find out where that is. Pictures. So that's about sourceforge. We've got some templates for people. I don't know if we've got any problems. This is still compiling. Close these. Close this. Shouldn't need this. If you like what I'm doing, please support me on my PayPal. My PayPal address is PayPal. If you type this into Google, you can support me on here. And anything helps really, any sort of support. I can definitely keep making tutorials. We've got a problem for people. Maybe supporting me would be a way of suggesting this. So if you want any more videos, that's what I'm going to put out there. I may make my own videos at my own time, but if you want me to make specific videos, I'm going to go by subscription base. Well, if you donate a little bit, then maybe I'll make the video on the topic that you want. I mean, I'm not asking for much. I can do certain topics out of free will, off the top of my head. And we just hope for the best that this application works. We can close this. Go back here. We're also going to need to edit this. And we'll just use the bot until we get it right. My template was right at the start anyway. Kind of gone backwards on ourselves. But we'll just give it a go. been quite fun creating this. Might have to end it with my favourite song. And I want to make on my website a tutorial on how to do these things. At the moment my desktop, my website is out of date, and so there's a lot of things on it. I've got some custom Python script. So I was on the way of doing things like this, but got some information about myself. Got some Pling Store applications. So I'll create, go on here and we can download some Pling Store KDE applications. When that's compiling, let's see where it's at. 130. I've got a lot that I would like to convert into appimages. This could be my next option. It'd be quite cool to turn this into an app image. I did have a other video, deleted it. Doing this a little bit quicker. Hopefully we've got a Rust application, a template for people to use. I like to see some views go up on some of my videos, some suggestions maybe. Ah, here we go. There's more problems. Let's try and get this fixed. Update the dependencies. Check for unsafe codes. We had a template with 2 buttons and 1 button didn't work. Anything's better than nothing. Just give me something that works. We're trying to upgrade it now to show the time and system info. I don't know how it's showing the system info. Maybe we tell it to use the OS release, but if it works, I need. Let's see if we get the right stuff from it. We can fix the issue like this instead of taking this long to compile. Are we missing anything? That's all. Yeah, we would need the new T. I don't know, maybe I've fixed it now. Let's see what we can do. Takes a considerable long amount of time to do this. Considerably long amount of time. It'd be nice to try and get these functions to work. What's this compiling? Try and get these functions to work. working in my terminal. So we've made simple bash, we've got all these custom scripts, and we can toggle things and hide things. So we're going to hide this. I'm going to show it. Yeah, we're going to toggle it. And now we can see it again. We don't actually need this, we can delete it. This is why I need to get my terminal updated, so we can fix some of the stuff. Let's get it refixed. We don't need this to. We do this. And we do it again and again and again until it works. Hopefully it just works. It's going to be like a gigabytes worth of files that need to be uploaded, I think. I'm not going to give out the target and the log farm, so you can just compile it yourself once you've got Rust installed, and just use it as a template. I'll put the link of my sourceforge in the description, and I'll give my PayPal. The files on the sourceforge might take a minute or two to download. If you want to download my distributions, you can download them, but my application's not finished yet. I'm still building the arch. I've got half of it built. I want to put the app images in the arch and fix some of the functions. So I've already done the where to search functions, and there has been updated to my new update that's coming out. We've got toggle visibility has been added. My new system. What was it? Service menus for Arch. Well, so we'll just remove the system and time. We'll do it one more time without this. Try and get it on the internet. We'll keep getting a problem with this function. So we'll remove the function because we know it used to work before without it. This now. Change the name if you want to any name, and then skip the last one. Hopefully this works. I'll run it, shouldn't have any issues. Put this on the internet as a template. Might have to update the readme just for some if we go here and we just look, if we go to the bot training and we'll go here, we've updated the GPU drivers. So in so I've showed how the template is done and what you need to do. Python Rust. Anyway, I'm gonna put that on my sourceforge. Hopefully, we've got this fixed. Did we compile it? I don't know if we compiled it. We're going to delete this and try it again. See if we got anywhere. Please, if not, then I'll just find out what is the problem and try and fix it. We've got a new readme file to put online. We'll put that online quick. Application making. Shouldn't get into any issues really. I mean, I had a working script beforehand. That other directory of the appimages is broken, and this was the working one. So, if this don't work, then we have to go back and just copy the script from the bot before. I'll just look quick. You can just copy this script from the bot before quick. And this might just work. No. One of these works, and we are missing a file. I do believe. And we can just build what we had before. Obviously I kind of saved it now. We must have had something. This is a Qt bindings. It needs to be in a Qt bindings folder, I do believe. It told me that I needed to meet. Well, it did tell me to put this file in a location, in the SRC location. So wherever I gave it that, this script works. We need a file in the SRC called Qt underscore bindings dot h. Just paste this. That's the Qt bindings. This is the main. This is what we need in the card. 2021 app. Okay. This should just work. I shouldn't have any issues. Let's see why we shouldn't have any issues. You should just be able to put this on the internet. And we've got a new one here. So this one fixes the main RS. Let's see what this does. This is the main RS. We do dependencies. We might not even need the Qt bindings now. So just X that. I know one of these works because I've had something working. Should be able to just close a lot of these terminals. Check if my sourceforge has been updated. Taking a minute or two, but we should finally get somewhere. Why do we need the web browser to open a button? Here we go. We can open Dolphin and we can open the console. Simple application written in Rust. Now we go here and we've got a target file. It is around that big. If you want to compile it, you can compile it and test it. For now, we've got these two templates that we're going to compress and put on my sourceforge for people. And Rust template. And that is pretty much the end of the video for today. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Goodbye from me, Claude Mods.